Rwanda, the land of 1,000 hills, is on a mission to bridge the digital divide. The Rwanda Connect 2.0 initiative, launched on the 16th of October 2023 by Airtel and the Ministry of ICT and Innovation, aims for 90% smartphone ownership in households by 2027. But what's a smartphone without powerful apps? For the youth looking to harness the power of these devices. For residual income, here are 10 apps and AI tools to consider. 1. Upwork for freelancing. 2. Shopify for e-commerce. 3. Canva for graphic design. 4. Teachable for online courses. 5. Medium partner programming for writers. 6. Chat for AI chatbot services. 7. Fibro for gig-based services. 8. Robinhood for stock trading. 9. Etsy for handmade crafts. And 10. Adobe Stock for photographers. With these tools, Rwandan youth are not just digitally connected, but also economically empowered.